The house remains, and shall remain forever, because Christ and God remaineth forever, and so shall we. And where we are today is where we are today. And that's how it is. That's how it is. And what we look forward to is a revival of the doctrines, or doctrine, as they all come together as one, the doctrine of Christ, and of practical teaching to practical living, which has been vanquished by modern day Arminianism, which has the title neo-evangelicalism. It's been vanished. Totally vanished. How to live. You know, in the Second World War, there was one of these concerts that was going on for the troops. And when it had finished, voices were raised. They taught us how to fight, but they never taught us how to die. Equally, as Cromwell rightly put it, more poignantly, trust in God, keep your powder dry. Practical living is to be taught secondarily to God. It used to be, and equally history used to be, and the law used to be. Christianity today has been stripped, or rather Christendom has been stripped naked. And the world looks on at Christendom as a shameful thing. It's been stripped of history, stripped of the law, stripped of God, stripped of salvation, stripped of practical living, stripped of reason, stripped of intellect, stripped of everything that Christendom once owned. Stripped naked. It's within Christendom, but it has yet to be revived. Revived. Revive thy work, O Lord, in the midst of the years. Thy work in thy people. And what does Arminianism do? Oh, we've got a revival over here, revival over there. No. What hast thou, says God, what dost thou have to do with my word, and to take my statutes in thy hand? What? Revival is another term stolen by the enemy, as is apostolic and Catholic by the enemy, and used against us. Used against us. Let us leave yet again with the understanding that no matter what the enemy may do, no matter what the enemy may throw at us, and how we are trampled underfoot and despised and rejected of men, our house of justification still stands. We are still in that house, and nobody and nothing can take us out of that house. No one. No one. Who shall separate us from the love of God that is in Christ Jesus? Who? We're in this house, and we're in this house to stay. And stay we will. Because God has willed it. Arminianism, insecurity of Arminianism, get. What a fiendish, despicable, Romish teaching is that. You'll never, never separate us from our house. Never.